Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's Javed Ahmad Shah with you. Today we are going to learn about the use of much and many. Students, it's a general topic in English grammar, but the students of class 8th will find it in their lesson, the Achilles. Students, these are two words, much and many. Much always goes with uncountable nouns. We use much when there is some noun which we cannot count, and many always goes with countable nouns. It's always used with those nouns which we count. Let us take few examples of this countable and uncountable nouns. First of all, let's take these countable nouns. You can count eggs, 1, 2, or 3 or 4 eggs. In the same way, you can count bananas, olives, fries, burger, hot dog, apple, carrots, tomatoes, watermelons. You can say there are 2 tomatoes, 3 watermelons, 4 carrots, 5 burgers. These things we can count. So they are countable. As they are names, they are countable nouns. Let us see these uncountable nouns there. We have milk. We cannot say 1 milk, 2 milk, 3 milk. Though we can say 2 liters of milk, 1 liter of milk, 1 glass of milk, 1 bottle of milk. We use another word to count it. There are some counting words, or we can say quantifiers or counters. Some measurable words are there through which we can measure these things. We can say a liter of milk, or 1 liter of milk, 2 liters of milk. We cannot say 1 milk, 2 milk, just like we can say 1 egg, 2 egg, 3 eggs, 4 eggs, 2 bananas. In the same way, let's talk about this flour. We cannot say 1 flour, we can say a bag of flour. Salt. This is also an uncountable noun, salt. We cannot say 1 salt, 2 salt. We can say 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of salt, or something else, 2 kgs of salt. In the same way, sugar is also an uncountable noun. Jam is an uncountable noun. Meat is an uncountable noun. Rice, honey, tea, and cheese. We can say 2 pieces of cheese. We cannot say 2 cheese. Okay? Hope you got it. Let's move further. I said much always goes with uncountable nouns. It's used with uncountable nouns, and many is always used with countable nouns. Those things which you can count. Let us take the column in here. Much is used with uncountable nouns. It denotes a large amount, a large quantity. Many also denotes large quantity. तो देखते हैं क्या है मसला फिर यूज इनका. Let us take 3 sentences about this much. In the first sentence is a positive sentence. The second sentence is a negative sentence, and the third sentence is a question sentence. That's an interrogative sentence. Those sentences which ask questions. Okay, let's take the first one. The party was so much fun. The party was so much fun. Much fun. You cannot say 1 fun, 2 fun, 3 fun. Okay, there was a lot of fun. We can say the party was so much fun. Okay, it's a positive sentence. Let's take the second one. I did not get much sleep last night. Sleep is an uncountable noun, and we have used much with it. We cannot count sleep. Okay, let's take the third interrogative sentence here. How much money do you have? Money. How much money do you have? You should not get confused while dealing with this word money. आपको ये नहीं देखना है कि मनी हम गिन सकते हैं तो ये काउंटेबल नाउन है. नहीं, ये अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है. This word money is an uncountable noun. Let us see how. We cannot say 1 money, 2 money, 3 money. We use some words, some measuring word for it. इसके लिए हम कोई word इस्तेमाल करते हैं money गिनने के लिए. We can say 2 rupees, 3 rupees. This word rupees, $2, $3. Okay. This word money is an uncountable noun, so we have used much with it. Let us money, money, M-O-N-E-Y, money. How much money do you have? Okay. Let us take another word here. That's many. It goes with countable nouns. It also denotes large amount or large quantity of something. We have also used here 3 sentences. The first sentence is a positive sentence. The second sentence is a negative sentence. And the third one is an interrogative sentence. That is the sentence which asks questions. Okay. She has many friends. This word friends is a countable noun. You can count your friends, one friend, two friends, three friends, four friends. Okay. This word friends is a countable noun. So we have used many with it. We cannot use much with it here. Okay. There are not many people here. There are not many people here. ज़्यादा लोग पे यहाँ पे नहीं है. Are not, this word are not ये negative है. That's the reason this is a negative sentence. This word people here is a countable noun. You can count people. How many are there? Okay. How many properties do you have? The word properties is a countable noun. You can count your properties if you have 2 houses, 3 shops, 4 cars, etc., etc., 2 canals of land or 3 marlas of land somewhere. You can count it. That's the word property is a countable noun. Okay, let's move further. Let's practice something. How dash people are there? What will we use? How much or how many? The word people is a countable noun. People जो लफ्ज़ है एक countable noun है. So we use many. How many people are there? Here it is. Let's move further. She has dash pets. Much pets or many pets? The word pets, you can count your pets. आप जो पालतू जानवर आपके पास है वो आप गिन सकते हो. Pets is a countable noun. तो countable noun के साथ हमेशा many जाएगा, है ना. ये लिखा है हमने many. Next, you are talking to dash. Much or many? Too much. आप बहुत बातें करते हो. You are talking too much. This word here is talking. Talking is a countable noun. Uncountable noun, sorry. We have used much here. Okay.